What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I want to give you a proven Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial completely for beginners. If you're someone that's brand new to affiliate marketing, or you want to learn how to really master Clickbank affiliate marketing to start to make daily commissions, you are in the right place. Now, there's a lot of people teaching Clickbank affiliate marketing on YouTube and other platforms. And in my experience, based on what they're teaching, they're doing it completely backwards and they're really leading people astray. So what I'm gonna do is reveal a strategy that I've been personally using for over 5 years online to make commissions. Now, you can apply this to Clickbank, you can apply this to other affiliate platforms and any niche in any product. Now, before I hop on my computer and I break this down step by step, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training, be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. But without further ado, let me hop on my computer and dive in right now. Okay, so I have on this whiteboard the exact 5-step process that I've been using the last 5 years online. Now, again, you can apply this to any business, any product that you want to promote. For this video, it's going to be Clickbank. So step one is we want to decide on a niche to focus on. So many people, they go out there and they're promoting one product in the health and fitness niche, another product that teaches people how to date, another product that teaches people how to do the keto diet, right? And they're wondering why they're struggling. Now, I actually used to make this mistake when I first got started as well. So it's a very common mistake. And the way you solve this is you focus on one specific niche, solving one specific product to one specific target market with one specific traffic source, okay? So the real secret is focus. That's gonna solve the shiny ball syndrome. That's gonna solve the, starting with Facebook one day and then Twitter and never actually getting momentum. So we want to decide on a niche to focus on. Now, when you go to Clickbank, okay, and you log in or you create a free account and you go to your marketplace, there's a lot of different categories or niches you can focus on. And you may be thinking, Garrett, how do I actually drill down? And again, I mean, this is a common thing with my students, with my audience, and even with me. I always thought I had to pick the perfect niche, right? Maybe you want to start creating YouTube videos or blogging or posting on Facebook, and you don't know where to start. I want to solve that for you in this video because you want to get over this perfectionist mentality. A lot of people think, oh, if I choose the wrong niche, it's going to waste a lot of time and I'm going to, miss out on money and stuff like that. And what you want to do is realize that you can always change or modify your niche. For me, when I first got started online, I just did a broad make money online because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I enjoyed learning how to make money. I was learning myself how to make money online. And so I thought, okay, I can teach people how to do that in the form of content marketing, but what type of make money? Because that's very broad. When you focus on a niche, you want to be specific enough where you're solving a specific problem, but not so specific that there's not enough people. Like you can target, men age 25 in the United States who are in college, who want to make money trading Forex, right? But that's really specific and there's not going to be that many people. Instead, you can, let's say teach Forex to men who, have an hour a day, okay, of actual free time. So that's more specific. That's a specific problem. But again, there's going to be a lot more people that are open to that. So the easiest way to do it is to really focus on either the e-business, e-marketing, the health and fitness category on Clickbank, or the self-help, health, wealth, relationships. Now, why is these the best to focus on with niches? Is because these are what's called evergreen niches, meaning that people are always going to be interested in these. The problem with choosing, one of these other like games, that game could be really popular this year, but in the coming years, it may not be popular anymore. And if you've created content or you've made posts, it's not going to be relevant. Okay, so I want to teach you a long-term strategy where you can apply this 5-step method and you can start to make money for years to come. So you just want to open up one of these, let's say the health and fitness niche, okay? And on Clickbank, what you want to do is, like I say right here, Number two is we want to choose a good selling product in that niche, okay? Now, once we do that, okay, you can see that on Clickbank, we're in the health and fitness niche, but there's sub niches, okay? Like this is Java burn, right? There's one getting a flat belly. So this product right here teaches people how to get a flat belly. That specific thing, getting a flat belly, is a sub niche in a larger niche of health. Okay, so inside of Clickbank, there's also different things. There's building muscle. There's losing fat. There's the keto diet, right? There's diabetes. Okay, diabetes and solving diabetes and helping cure diabetes is a whole sub niche inside the health category. So again, you want to drill down a little bit deeper, and you want to look at deciding on what you want to do. Now, as you look at this, what I highly recommend you do on Clickbank is we want to find good selling products. Now, what that means is you don't want to promote a product that other people aren't making sales with. A lot of people think, well, Garrett, if other people are making sales with this product, then isn't there a lot of competition? Competition when it comes to marketing is actually a very good thing, because that tells you that there's a demand, there's a need for that specific product. So we want to go through and we want to actually sort results by gravity. Whenever you do Clickbank, you want to sort results by gravity, because this is going to list the best-selling products at the top. Now you can see the gravity score right here. This is specific product 𝐸 Pure is 1,233, okay, gravity, which is incredible. Anything above 30 is really good. The higher the better. This is 568. Now you also want to keep in mind the average dollar per conversion, okay, because this is going to basically tell you how much money on average per sale are you going to make based on all the upsells and downsells in their sales funnel. So for this one, it has a very high gravity score, and it has a pretty good dollar per conversion, okay? So this one's 146, this is 116. So far, this one is looking pretty darn good, okay? Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to actually, we want to decide on a niche to focus on, and we want to make sure this niche is actually gaining in popularity over time. Because the problem is, if you just start promoting this, maybe in a month or two, the interest is actually going down, and it's not a long-term product or niche that you can actually make money in. So let's say, for example, if I go through, for the sake of this, let's say the keto diet. Okay, let's say you see this and you go, hey, I want to go, maybe you struggled with losing weight and you actually did the keto diet and it worked for you, and you're like, hey, I like this. I can actually create content or, post advertisements in this niche. What we want to do is we want to go to a site called Google Trends. Okay, Google Trends is really powerful, totally free. It allows you to type in any search term or topic, and it allows you to actually see the popularity and see if it's going up or if it's a downtrend. So let me type in keto diet into Google Trends. Okay, I search that, and you're going to be able to see. So we want to look over time. We want to look at even past 5 years, just to kind of see where the trend is going, okay? So you can actually see that they had a big spike here, okay? But it's not really going up, but it's not really going dramatically down, okay? So let me go back to the 12 months, okay? And let me see. So it looks like it's actually slightly kind of going down, right? There's a lot of spikes going up and down. Now, I'm also in Brazil, okay, currently. So if I can go worldwide, or if I want to go to the United States, okay, maybe you're watching this in the United States. You want to look based on your country. So this is actually slightly going down, okay? So this may not be the best one to go. So we can kind of keep looking. Okay, diabetes. Let's see what diabetes is doing, okay, as far as the trending. So this is actually, it's slightly kind of, not really going down, not really going up. It's kind of staying consistent. So diabetes could definitely be a niche you could focus on, okay? Now on Clickbank, right, when you want to promote a product, you just click promote, and you can actually generate hop links. And now this is your affiliate link, okay? So we want to save this, and that's how we're going to be able to promote, right? Now, step 3 is you want to pick one free traffic method and we want to post daily on that platform or that method, okay? Now, the reason I say free and the reason I say one is very specific. A lot of people, when they're first starting marketing online, they come on and they try to master paid advertising. They do things like YouTube ads, Google ads, and the problem is this can take some time to tweak, right? You really got to test subject lines. You got to test different ad copy. And it can take a while to find a converting ad. And if you're working a job right now and maybe you have a limited amount of money or you just want to, really kind of shortcut your learning curve, starting with paid ads can be very, very tricky. Okay. So what I typically recommend people do is they pick one free traffic method and they post on that platform daily. So typically that traffic method is going to be on social media. Okay. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right? There's so many different platforms. You want to pick one. Now, the goal here, the reason you want to do this, and the reason you want to post daily or as close to daily as possible is we want to build an audience, right? Now, there's a very popular book. I believe it's called 1,000 Fans. And what this basically says is that if you can build an audience of just 1,000 people who know, like, and trust you, you'll never have to work again because you can just keep recommending products to those people and they'll just keep buying. So you want to work to build an audience. So pick one free traffic method. Like I said, usually these are social media platforms, okay? And you want to pick one because in the beginning, you don't have enough time to try to figure out how to, properly create a TikTok video and then how to create a YouTube video, which is completely different, and how to post on Facebook. You want to pick one. And ideally, it's a platform that you're on already. The easiest way to really stay consistent is to just find a platform that you're already on. Are you on Instagram all the time? Start posting on Instagram. Are you on YouTube? Create YouTube videos. I was always on YouTube. I love watching YouTube videos. For me, it made sense. Let me just focus on YouTube. So again, we want to actually focus on one so you can put all your, laser target on that one thing so you can learn what's working. Now, you may not know what to post, how to post. That's when step 4 comes in. So what we want to do is we want to use the marketing tools that the product on Clickbank supplies for us to help promote the product. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to start from zero, from nothing. You can literally, if you go to Clickbank, okay, let's say we want to promote this product, you can go to the affiliate page right here. And what this affiliate page does is it shares with you resources, information, right? So it says, who is Diabetes Freedom for? This right here is your target market. That's the person you're trying to attract. Someone 45 to 75 years of age, male or female. However, men are more likely to have diabetes, okay? So they're saying like men are more likely, okay? So countries to avoid. So in your marketing, whether you're doing Facebook, for example, on my channel, I've taught Facebook marketing for free. And one of the strategies is to add friends because that's how you're going to build your audience. They accept your friend request, then you post on your profile and you can start to make sales. Now, right here, it's saying countries to avoid at all costs. Okay, people from India, Pakistan, Kuwait. Now, if you're actually watching this and you're in one of these countries, don't get offended. It's just that typically the income is a little bit lower in those countries and they don't have as much money to invest into your product. Okay, so the best quality, the best people to target are people in the US, Canada, UK, etc. for this specific product. And this usually applies to many products, okay? Now, if I go down, usually they'll have even more research. Okay, so right here, email swipes. Okay, so you can literally use these swipes in your marketing, right? So they give you an email to actually use. Now, what if you don't have an email list, right? Now, I said here, pick one free traffic method and post daily, and then use the marketing tools. Well, you can literally, okay, use these. Let's say you want to promote on Facebook, okay? You create a Facebook profile. Let's say I want to post on my Facebook profile. Well, I can literally use this, okay? I can literally copy and paste this, right, on my profile right here, okay? And then I can, I can erase this, right? They already know our name on Facebook. And then like where it says, the link, okay, so right here, see how it's like highlighted here to click the link. All you have to do instead on Facebook is you don't want to do that, okay? You want to erase that. And then towards the end, you want to be like, comment info if you want to learn more. And then you post that. Okay, you can add a photo as well. Sometimes they supply photos. Okay, this one doesn't, but you can often find photos on Google. Okay, so you can literally go to Google, go to images, and I could type in diabetes, right? And I can literally download one of these photos and I can post it. And then when people comment for info, you just send them your affiliate link, right? So really, really powerful. And then again, make money daily. So you want to post daily, okay? Whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on Instagram, you want to be posting daily. Consistency is going to build that audience. And then you can start to promote whatever you want. So I really hope you got value in this. Now, before you go, I do want to share Clickbank is not my favorite place to find affiliate products to promote. The reason being is often they'll pay you a little bit lower and you have to wait a while to get the money. If you want to discover my #1 recommended affiliate program that I'm actually promoting, that I recommend other people promote to make a lot more money per sale, it gives you done-for-you emails and funnels and things like that to use, as well as a massive community to support you. Be sure to click the link below. Watch that free video from one of my business partners. He's going to break down much more information, and I really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, if you got value, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Like this video if you got value, and I will see you on my next training.